Comment will appear here. Okay. ठीक है. We'll check that out. Alvin, thank you so much for being the first guest right here. So good to see you, Alvin. Hi. Hi, everybody. Yo, Savio. Savio. How you been, darling? Is your salon open yet? Let me know. I have to see you. Remember, I had messaged you some time ago. Noor, walaikum salam. Thank you, Savio. Hey, Sumed. How are you doing, Sumed? Sachin Batra, how are you doing, brother? Sheikh Saab, walaikum salam. Hemal, Hemal, hi, from Melbourne, working RJ Radio, okay. And, would like to take a small interview of you. Thanks a lot for the advance. Waiting to reply. Best regards. See you more. Hemal Chauhan, please send me a message on my messenger, and we will take this forward from there. And thank you for the invitation. Thank you so much. Kashmeet Kaur, Ritu, welcome. Tina, how are you? Hey, Minu. How are you doing, Minu? I was thinking of you the other day. I was just setting up the next live, the event of Blended, and I was working on it, and you kept coming in my mind as I was listening to some tunes, and I knew that Minu Ghaswala would definitely know about these tracks and would love to listen to it. I'm sure you haven't, you must have not heard those tunes for a very long time. So be there, Minu, for the next live. I'll be doing it within the next 2 or 3 days, maybe 3 days, or maybe 2. Gladys, how are you? Good evening, Tina. Tushar Bhai, welcome. Good to see you, Tushar Bhai. I hope you're well. And everybody else at home in Pune. John Neges, John, my buddy. Spoke to Suku this morning, John, from Japan. We are planning a live show in his club, Imri. So virtually, I'll be going live in Japan, in Nagoya, on this club called Imri. It's going to be beautiful. So that we are planning within the next 2 weeks. So I'm making the videos and logos and all of that, and the flyers for it, and the date and time and all of that. Salah Ali, welcome. Good to see you, Salah. Ketan, my man. Hey, Tina. Hi, Bindi Dalal. How are you? Raj Roy. Yes, looking good. Dabas Goa, welcome, darling. How are you doing? Yes, Tushar Bhai, that is going to be live in Japan. So, at my buddy's club called Imri. That's what we're going to do. Jazzy Joe, good to see you. Good to see you. Ami Pava, good to see you. Good you're here. Smita, thank you. Smithy, good to see you. Hey, Ankit. Hi, Ashok. Yes, Ketan. Ketan, thank you so much for the flyer. We got to redo the flyer once again to just change the date and the name. Hi, Veena. Veena, I hope you're good and everybody at home. Hemal. Deepa Patel, how are you doing? Jeet. Hi, Rekha, how are you doing? Okay, so we are here. I'm here live tonight to talk about a few very important subjects. One of which I think the one and only subject is about the child carrying cancer. Or I'm waiting for Sapna Kamdar to join me so that I can take her in and then we can have a small chat about what's going on. Faisal bhai, assalamu alaikum. Uh, Muskan, hi. So that's about it. It's a very serious kind of a subject. It's not something that we speak about very often in our industry and on our business. हम लोग ha ha hoo hoo, music, dancing, and all of that we do. But this is something that which has been there in my life for a very long time, and I've been a part of Access Life also for a very long time. So here comes Sapna. Sapna, I have to take you in now. You have to. Okay, Sapna is here. Sapna, accept karo. I've sent you a message. Usko accept karo, then you will be online with me. Hi. Hi, Dinesh. Saswati, long time. How have you been? Hey, Sapna, please come online. Yeah, but I know you're here, but you have to accept. मैं फिर से भेज रहा हूँ आपको Sapna on camera. I'm sending you again. Okay. Okay, here you are. Hi. Hi.
Hi, hello everybody. So good to see you all.
Yeah. It's good to see you, Sapna.
Same here. Advance wishes for your birthday, Akbar.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your wishes and being one of the first ones to wish me. It's on the 18th of August, Sapna. It's
Yeah,
people. ये होता
I
है
wish
कि
you
people
right
think that
now.
was 17th. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Sapna. Without wasting much time, let's talk about this.
Yes.
Uh, tell us a little bit about Access Life so that people know what Access Life does, what it is all about, and why.
Yes. So good evening, everybody, and thanks to Akbar for doing this.
Thank
So
you.
without
Pleasure.
wasting time, we'll start. Access Life is all about giving access to kids who are battling cancer. So these kids come from the villages from India. And when they come here, they don't know how long the treatment is going to take, how much long they have to stay with the kids. They just, in the
Yes.
villages, they are told that they have fever, just go and get it checked, if the fever is prevailing. So once they come here, then they go to the Tata or any hospitals where they are told that the treatment is going to take 6 months, 8 months, 2 months. So there is where Access Life comes because they don't have a place to stay here in Mumbai. And
Right.
we at Access Life, what we do, we give them place to stay. So that is transportation, free staying, and good healthy environment and very good nutrition. And everything is free at Access Life. Nothing is charged. Like if you see, there are many places, for them to stay, but minimum they take 100 rupees or 150 for a day. So if you go to see the treatment goes on for 1 year, 2 years, then they don't have that much amount. So Access Life gives them a very nice place to stay, and it's like a home for them. So it makes a homely atmosphere for them. They feel at home. That's what Access Life is all about.
Let me just tell you a little bit about Access Live. Also, all my friends who have tuned in right now. Hi Mandar, thank you for joining in. Everybody from United States, whoever is joined in right now, thank you so much for being here and for giving me time. My salutes to you, यार. Thank you so much. आजकल कोई सुनता नहीं है, but आप लोग great हो. इस वजह से मेरे दोस्त हो. और thank you for tuning in and being here and listening to us, and especially Sapna Kamdar from Access Live, who's talking about it and letting you know what Access Live does exactly. मैं गया था, मेरे ख्याल से कुछ 2 साल हो गए हैं. 2 साल हुए सपना?
3 years. 2 years.
3 years.
2 years.
Okay. 2 years.
Yeah,
2 years. About 2 years ago to Access Life, which is in Bombay. और मैंने जाकर जब वहां पर इन लोगों से मिला, वो जो पेरेंट्स थे, बच्चे तो खैर उनसे तो काफी कुछ मस्ती मजाक भी हुआ, और एक जो आपको एक वहां पर जाने के बाद एक जो फीलिंग आती है, मैं तो चाहूंगा कि आप सब लोग जाएं. Everybody should go and visit Access Life and see what it is all about. Meet the kids, meet these children who have no idea of what they have. They don't, of course, they're children. They have no idea about this disease called cancer. एंड यहाँ तक कि उनके माँ बाप जो हैं उनको भी नहीं पता होता है कि ये क्या, बिकॉज ये आते हैं बहुत ही रिमोट एरिया से, गांव से. और जब कभी हम फ्लाइट में कहीं सफर करते होते हैं, तो जब फ्लाइट जाती है माउंटेन्स के थ्रू, यू सी दिस बिलो दी स्मॉल लिटिल विलेजेस, and I've personally had this feeling of visiting one of these villages and staying there, and to know what their life is all about, without Wi-Fi, without internet, and without the computers, and without the new age stuff that we do, without the air conditioning rooms and cars and telephones or whatever. And it's a different life they lead, and it's amazing to understand and to see what they're all about. So these are the kind of people who have no clue about this
Yeah.
deadly disease, who come into Bombay for treatment. And this is where Access Life comes in, because they have no idea कि इसका डॉक्टर कौन है, इसका हॉस्पिटल कौन सा है, ये कहाँ पर जाना चाहिए, हमको क्यों जाना चाहिए, किससे मिलना चाहिए. कोई मदद नहीं होती इनको, कोई एडवाइस देने वाला नहीं होता कि आपको ये करना है, फला करना है, ढिमका करना है, बिकॉज इनको खुद को नहीं पता होता कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं. बच्चे को ले आए हैं वो बॉम्बे सिटी में, क्योंकि यहाँ पर है सारी वो फैसिलिटीज और हॉस्पिटल्स, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल टाटा मेमोरियल हॉस्पिटल, जिसके लिए मैं लास्ट 5-6 साल से भी काम कर रहा हूँ, विद महिका मीरपुरी. एंड वी डू दिस पेंटिंग एग्जीबिशन, जहाँ पर ये पेंटिंग्स सेल होती हैं, और फिर उसका जो पैसा होता है वो गरीबों के ट्रीटमेंट के लिए यूज होता है. तो वो भी एक अलग सी चीज है. तो यहाँ पर वो फैसिलिटीज हैं, लेकिन इनको गाइड करने वाला कोई नहीं है. एक बात तो ये हो गई. दूसरी बात ये है कि इन इन लोगों के लिए छत नहीं होती. बम्बई, you know how Bombay city is. They don't have a shelter. They don't have place to live. They're very short in finances. Their money they have is very very little. तो उनको इलाज भी करना है अपने बच्चों का. छोटे छोटे बच्चे, मासूम बच्चे होते हैं ये, और इनको रहना भी होता है, इनको खाना भी होता है, इनको ये सारी चीजें करनी होती है. और इनके पास कोई भी सोर्स नहीं होता, इनके पास कोई जरिया नहीं होता. वो तो जरिया जो है वो है एक्सेस लाइफ, और वो है लोग, कुछ लोग, बहुत छोटे लोग, थोड़े लोग, जिनसे मैं मिला हूं. और मैं तो दोनों हाथ से आपको सल्यूट करता हूं सपना कामदार, कि आपने जो अपनी जिंदगी को जिस राह पे रखा है, और जो आप काम कर रही हैं, तो यू आर एंजल सेंट in this world for these people especially. So
Thank you.
what is exactly the matter right now? What is going on in Access Life?
Akbar, we cannot see your face, so just adjust your camera. Everybody is commenting.
I don't know. Tell me how. Here. कैसे रखूं?
Still
Can you
down.
see me?
Cannot see your face. Yeah, but your forehead is just going up. Just get it little down.
ऐसा?
Yeah, better. This
Okay.
is better.
Okay.
Okay, so to tell you what challenges we have faced during this COVID is, so we have a center in Thane. So what has
Uh-huh.
happened is the society has, shut the center, saying that the kids are traveling for treatment to the various hospitals and they're going and coming back. So they
Okay.
don't want others in the society to get infected because of them going and coming.
Because of the
So they have,
COVID-19.
yeah. So because the
Okay.
children go to the hospital every day for their treatments, have to go. They cannot, not go. So what the
Okay.
society has said that we don't want the kids here because we might get infected. The chances of we getting
Okay.
infected. So they have
Okay.
shut the center, and it's really very inhuman, to do this at this time when the kids are going through so much and the society is not allowing them to stay there. So we had to
Okay.
vacate that center and we had to adjust all the 12 families at other 5 centers.
Okay.
So
Okay. Okay.
I don't know what to say to them, but then we had to shut because we didn't want the kids, every day having that feeling of unwelcoming. The people are not allowing them and having fights and all. So we just shifted them and we shut that center at Thane. So this is one of the challenges that we have faced right now. But still, there
हाँ
are
हाँ
many people, even initially when we go for a place, even if we get a place, the first criteria is society allowing these kids to come, because I think many of us are not aware that even kids get cancer and it's not infectious. Like we had seen a place also once, but the
yes yes of
people
course.
and the doctor being over there, he was a doctor, still he did not allow the kids and to give us that place for rent. And it had come in the papers also that we were struggling for place and the society didn't allow us. So I
तो फिर
think
अभी
the
क्या अभी
awareness.
अभी क्या हो रहा है? What is the situation right now currently?
So what we have, the 12 families that have been out from there, we've registered in the other centers. And now
Okay.
Access Life is coming up with a new, so we have a current center in Chembur, and
हाँ
somebody was very kind and they've given us the whole building. So
okay.
now a new center, the old center, we have got the ground floor and the first floor, and 30 families will be accommodated there. So it's under construction over there right now. So I think by September we'll be done, and
Okay.
30 families. So the 12 and extra 7, 8 families will be accommodating. So that will be the biggest Access Life Center, and we need donations for that. Yes, donation is always a criteria because the rents are too high in Mumbai, as you know. So we can't buy a place, but all the places are on rent. So it's not that we pay the full rent. Suppose the rent is 5, the
Hmm.
landlord will give us, because it's an NGO, maybe 2.5 lakhs, 3 lakhs. But the main
Hmm.
is the rent and the caretakers that we have,
Hmm.
transportation, the cars, drivers. So that is the main thing that
Hmm.
we look for. Basically, it's the
Hmm.
rent that we have to give every month. So that's very high for us. And because of COVID, we are not getting donations and all, because people have given too much
सारे
into
लोग
COVID.
तकलीफ में हैं, पैसे नहीं आ रहे हैं, कुछ
Yeah,
नहीं हो रहा है, सबकी
so
हालत बुरी है
that is
कोविड
the
19
thing.
और
But I
या
think God is great, and we have people like you to support us. So we will make it. I'm very sure about that.
I'm there, I'm always there, and I'll always be there, Sapna, and you know that
Thank you
very
so
well.
much.
नो नो थैंक यू का तो बिल्कुल सवाल ही नहीं है यहाँ पर। ये मेरी ड्यूटी है एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, ये मेरा मेरा फर्ज है तो एक इंसानियत के नाते, और ये मैं करता रहूंगा जब तक मैं हूँ। और ये अभी अनफॉर्चुनेटली हम बात कर रहे हैं इसकी बात,
Yeah,
लोग
I
कहते
know,
हैं कि
I
कोई
know.
ऐसे
That's a
काम
very
करो
big
तो
thing
सीधे
coming
हाथ से
from you
करो।
also.
सॉरी सॉरी से दैट अगेन।
That's a very big thing coming from you, and all your fans who are listening to you also, I'm sure they must be uh, very happy to see you, talking, because always it's something about music, but today the cause is so special to you and me too. And I'm very happy we did this.
इट हैज ऑलवेज बीन सपना, आई थिंक इफ यू
Yeah, I
रिमेम्बर
know.
जब मैं आया था उसके फौरन
Yeah.
बाद आई थिंक आई हैड गॉन फॉर माय टूर, द यूएस टूर,
Yeah.
and immediately I had made it Access Life a part of that tour too. But unfortunately, I couldn't fit it in somewhere because of many restrictions in the governmental restrictions, law and order restrictions in the US.
Yes.
So we couldn't properly focus and talk about it the
Focus
way I
on
wanted
that.
to.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. So वो उसके लिए
And
और उतना वक्त भी नहीं मिला था.
I just want to say one thing to all of you watching. Maybe you don't know, but Akbar was the first one who did the show for Access Live. And the first time when I met him, I just told him we are doing it for cancer kids. And he didn't ask anything. He just said, yes, I'm in for it, without even asking anything. Thank you so much. I don't know. So many of you must not be knowing that. But yes, you were the first one who said, yes, Sapna, I will do it.
Thank you, Sapna. Thank you for remembering it. याद है आपको?
Yes, of course.
Paloma, welcome. Paloma, thank you so much for joining us. And people who've just joined in, just to refresh the subject, that this is for kids who are battling their lives in the hospitals and otherwise for this deadly disease called cancer. और इस बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, और प्रशांत के गुलाटी, वेलकम। और इस बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, और ये लाइव जो है ये इस वजह से है कि आपको ये समझ में आए या पता चले। थैंक यू आयशा, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर ब्लेसिंग्स, कि ये क्या चीज है। और आपसे जैसे भी जितना भी हो सके, आपको ये बड़ी अमाउंट्स आपको देने की जरूरत नहीं है, तो आपको घबराने की बिल्कुल भी जरूरत नहीं है कि पता नहीं कितना आपको क्या करना पड़े। ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है। थोड़ा भी हो, छोटा भी हो, जितना भी हो, जैसा भी हो, आप अपने हिसाब से डोनेट करें। और इस कॉज को मदद की बहुत जरूरत है आपकी, क्योंकि ये छोटे छोटे से बच्चे हैं, मासूम बच्चे हैं, ये इनके लिए हैं और इनके माँ बाप को, जैसे कि मैंने कहा पहले, मैं रिपीट कर रहा हूँ इस वजह से कि तो अभी अभी जो ट्यून्ड हुए हैं लोग काफी सारे, उनके लिए कि उनको ये खबर नहीं होती कि इसको इलाज कैसे करना है, कहाँ जाना है, और इस वजह से एक्सेस लाइफ इनको एक डायरेक्शन देती है, इनको एक दिशा दिखाती है, इनको एक राह दिखाती है कि ये ऐसा करें, और इनकी मदद करती है। इनका रहना, खाना पीना, सारी कुछ चीजें इनको बिल्कुल मुफ्त, जो बोलते हैं ना कि बिल्कुल ही विदाउट एनी मनी दैट दे चार्ज, दे डू दिस एंड दे गो आउट ऑफ द वे। अपनी जिंदगी का वक्त निकालना आज की दुनिया के अंदर बहुत ही बड़ी बात है। और वो जो ये सपना कामदार एंड मिस्टर सपना, आई एम फॉरगेटिंग हिज नेम, कैन यू जस्ट रिफ्रेश माय मेमोरी?
Ankit and Girish.
Ankit and
Ankit,
Girish.
Javed, Girish. Yeah.
Ankit, who goes, I mean, hats off to these people. They are God sent people. I'm telling you, they have come from the skies. मैंने ऐसे लोग मेरी जिंदगी में, मैं दुनिया घुमाऊं, ऐसे लोग मैंने नहीं देखे जो सेल्फलेसली अपनी जिंदगी को इन्होंने इन बच्चों के लिए, इन एंजल्स के लिए लगा दिया है इस काम के लिए। और ये ऐसा काम है कि इसका जो रिटर्न है वो आपको ऊपर वाला देता है, और ऐसे देगा कि मैं आपको क्या कहूँ, वो अलग एक सब्जेक्ट है। बट थैंक यू सो मच टू ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर लिसनिंग एंड योर donations have already started coming in, Sapna. I don't know if you're aware.
That's amazing. No, I can't, but I'm sure. Thank you so much to everybody.
Thank you so much everybody whoever donated already and will be donating. तो आप जरा भी घबराए नहीं, जरा भी आप हिचकिचाए नहीं। आप प्लीज लिंक्स जो है वो मेरे पोस्ट पर है, अमेरिका की भी लिंक है और हिंदुस्तान की भी, इंडिया की भी लिंक है। उस लिंक पे जाकर आप डोनेट कर सकते हैं। अगर आप में कुछ दिक्कत हो रही है आपको करने के लिए, तो आप मुझे मैसेज कीजिए मैसेंजर पे, और जिनके पास मेरा नंबर है मुझे कॉल कर सकते हैं एनी टाइम, सपना को कॉल कर सकते हैं या मैसेज कर सकते हैं, and we will try to help you out to show you around how you're supposed to do it. Because abhi शाम को my brother-in-law just called me from Dubai, and
Okay.
he says that he's trying to uh, donate some money on opening the link, but he's not been able to do it. So now
Okay.
he's doing it via Mumbai. I don't know how he's managed to do that. But Sapna, can you just talk about this link thing, how you're supposed to do, what is the exact way?
So what I will do is I will get back to you on the link how to do from out of India. So
Uh-huh.
I will tell you. I'll send you the link separately and talk to you about that. So then you can
Okay.
tell them. So otherwise from
Okay.
India, if you want to donate, it's very easy. You can go on the link. Otherwise, also if you have any problem, you can get back to Akbar or me. We will help you out. That's not an issue.
Yeah, Jagruti is here, Desai from America, I think, sorry, from San Francisco, America. And she wants to donate, but she has not been able to. So, Jagruti,
I will get back to her. Akbar, I'll let you know.
yeah,
Jagruti, I will get back to you also. I'll send you a message and then we'll connect. Yeah. Thank you so
that'll be great.
much.
That'll be great, Jagruti. Thank you so much. And all of you who have already, एक आपने एक सेकंड के लिए भी आप रुके नहीं, मैंने जैसा पोस्ट किया इमीडिएटली आपने डोनेशंस करना शुरू कर दिए थे। राज सिंह, अगर आप हो यहाँ पर तो बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका। सुकेतु राडिया, thank you for joining us. And Suketu, this is for a very good cause. I would like you to also be a part of this, Suketu. This is for Access Life. This is for children. मासूम छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं जिनको कैंसर हुआ होता है और इनको नहीं पता होता कि ये क्या है डिजीज, इनके माँ बाप को भी नहीं पता होता है। तो ये इस वजह से है। और सुकेतु, मैं चाहूंगा कि आप भी इसमें हिस्सा लें और जो पोस्ट है उसको अपने वॉल पे शेयर करें, ताकि ये अवेयरनेस जितना ज्यादा हो सके उतना लोगों तक पहुंचे और इसमें लोग शिरकत करें और आगे आए और इन बच्चों को मदद करें कैसे भी कर, बिकॉज ये मेरे ख्याल से आज एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट है। इनके लिए कोई मदद का जरिया नहीं है सिवाय ये जो आपके सामने एंजल बैठा हुआ एक फरिश्ता जिसका नाम है सपना कामदार and Ankit and his and entire team, such beautiful people. I'm so proud and so happy that they are here, you are here, and you are actually sitting here in front of me and having a discussion with me on this subject. And I'm blessed to be with you and take part in this amazing godly work of yours. Noor, thank you so much. Noor, thank you so much. Rajesh Wadhwa, ब्रदर प्लीज शेयर, मैं सबसे कहूंगा प्लीज शेयर दिस पोस्ट जो है मेरा यहाँ पर फेसबुक पर, इसको आप ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें और लोगों से विनती करें कि इसमें शिरकत करें और इन बच्चों के लिए जो भी जितना भी हो सके दें डोनेशन के जरिए, ताकि इनको मदद मिले। मैं आपसे ये भी कहूंगा कि ये देना जो होता है ना, ये ग्रेट लोग करते हैं, और आप कोई आज तक ऐसा नहीं हुआ है कि कोई देने से गरीब हो गया हो। कोई भी गरीब नहीं होता, आप अमीर हो जाते हो उस रब के सामने भी और इस दुनिया में भी। आपको इसका अजर यहीं पर भी मिलता है और वहां पर भी मिलता है। सो प्लीज आगे आइए, शर्माइए मत, और थोड़ा सा अपने जो आपके जो भी आपसे हो सके, और इसमें मदद कीजिए हमारी, हम सब की, so that these kids get their treatment and they are treated well and they go back home smiling. Sapna Kandar, anything else that you need to talk about or need to say?
Yeah, I just want to say one thing, donation is okay, but spending time with the kids, coming there, giving your time is another thing. They really crave for people coming, meeting them, spending time, because they are so naive. When they come here, they don't have any company. It's just the family and them. And what they need is you go there, sit with them even for half an hour, and they are so happy.
Yes.
You get all positive vibes when you meet them. You get a ray of hope from them. So when जब भी वो लोग आते हैं, उनको मालूम भी नहीं कि बुखार है, बस जा रहे हैं. They don't know what cancer is. वो ऐसे बीमारी जैसे
I
वैसे ही वो
know.
लोग खेलते हैं. Even when they come, sometimes in the evening I go, no, they have those syringes and all put in their hands, but they're not crying or grumpy or anything. They're just laughing, smiling. And one thing about Excess Life is you will never see a child crying over there. They're always smiling and laughing. So I think
Yes,
it
I
is
noticed that.
all the positive vibes are there and blessings are there. And the kids teach you a lot more, So from them I have learned my journey from what I have learned is at the end of the day I'm at peace. I'm very happy that I've been associated with Access Life, Girish and Ankit. And once the COVID thing is over, if you can please come and visit the center, you will be really happy. And we have started with a virtual tour also, where you can not come, but you can virtually see the kids, meet them through Zoom. So any of you who would like to see that, I will be very happy to have you and meet the kids also. And
Wow.
just send your blessings for the kids, and thank you all, and thank you to Akbar also.
अरे थैंक यू, थैंक्स टू यू फॉर मेकिंग मी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस, इट्स माय प्लेजर। और मैं तो ब्लेसिंग समझता हूँ कि मैं अपने आप को बहुत खुशनसीब समझता हूँ कि मैं इस चीज का एक हिस्सा हूँ, छोटा सा। और जैसे कि आपने सुना एवरीबॉडी दैट यू इफ यू गेट द टाइम, जब जागृति देसाई सेंड अ मैसेज, सपना इफ यू कैन रीड इट।
No, I can't. I'll just see it. I can't see Akbar.
Okay, anyway, I will read it out. Okay, नितिश अरोड़ा, थैंक यू। मैं ये एक मैसेज आपसे जरूर आप तक पहुंचाऊंगा कि आपको जब भी वक्त मिले, ये कोविड-19 खलास होने के बाद, जैसे कि सपना जी ने कहा कि आपको वहां पर विजिट करना बेहतर रहेगा, क्योंकि आपको खुद आप जब देखोगे तो आपको वो फीलिंग आएगी, आपको समझ में बात आएगी कि ये कितना जरूरी है और आपने कितना अच्छा काम किया आफ्टर विजिटिंग एक्सेस लाइफ। बिकॉज यू विल सी विद योर ओन आईज, दो जो आप वो छोटे छोटे बच्चों को देखोगे ना, बेचारे उनके बाल नहीं होते, उनको मास्क लगा दिया जाता है और वो खेलते रहते, उनको क्या हुआ है। और जब आप जाके उनके माँ बाप से मिलते हो, उनकी आंखों में देखते हो, उनसे उनको 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 एक दिल में ख्वाहिश होती है कि मेरा बच्चा या मेरी बच्ची जल्द से जल्द ठीक हो जाए। ये सारी चीजें जब when you experience it yourself, when you go there and see it, you will understand what I'm talking about. It happened to me too. Initially, I was just told by Sapna, but she kept on telling me that come and visit Access Life, तो मैं वहां जब गया और जब मैंने देखा तो मेरे रोंगटे खड़े हो गए। मैं आपको बता नहीं सकता मुझे किस तरह की फीलिंग हो रही थी कि मैं अभी का अभी पता नहीं मेरे हाथ में जादू की छड़ी आ जाए और मैं क्या कर दूं कि इन सब की ये बीमारी दूर हो जाए। इतने मासूम चेहरे, इतने मासूम छोटे छोटे बच्चे जिनको ये डिजीज हुई हुई है और इनको पता नहीं है, और माँ बाप बेचारे रो रहे हैं बैठ के, कोई डिप्रेस है, कोई अपसेट है, क्या करें। और इनसे जितना हो सके अपने हिसाब से, इनको कोई मदद तो मिलती है नहीं, एक्सेस लाइफ जैसे एनजीओ को इतनी, मतलब ना कोई फिल्म स्टार है, ना कोई बड़े बड़े लोग सेलिब्रिटीज हैं जो आगे आते हैं इन चीजों के जो सही राइट चीज है उसको ध्यान देने के लिए। उनको ये होता है कि हम मीडिया को बुला लें और अपना एक वीडियो बना लें कहीं पर जाके बच्चों के बीच में बैठकर, और हा हा हु कर करके, और दिखाने के लिए कि देखो हमने कितना बड़ा काम किया है। ऐसा नहीं है कि सब लोग यही करते हैं, बट देयर आर पीपल हु आर डूइंग सम गुड जॉब आल्सो, but many people who are so media hungry, who just do it for that particular reason, not for the reason to help out at the real problems which people are saving today in India, and especially this cause which is for these little small little angels. So I would request all of you to please, whenever you get the time, get in touch with Access Life, get in touch with Sapna Kamdar, get in touch with Ankit Dawai or me, and we will have you a plan made for you to visit Access Life so that you can go there, meet the children, see them, interact with them, and meet the parents and hear their experiences. It's amazing, their stories when they tell you how they found out that their children has this disease, how they traveled all the way from wherever else that they live, very far away from Mumbai city, and their travel and their journey. So with that, Sapna, I would like to once again thank you and Ankit and Access Life and everybody who's tuned in right now. All the people who've donated, whatever, it doesn't matter, and keep on donating and keep on sharing the post. So that is very important, so that the awareness is right on top, and people like Jagruti, who's here, Mandar Kulkarni, who's here, Farhad Irani, Raj Singh, these people who have donated already, and people who are going to will be aware, and they will come forward and help this cause. Sapna, anything else that you need to mention?
No, thank you to all of you who have taken out this time and to listen to us. Thank you so much. And thanks, a special thanks to Akbar, really.
No, I don't need any thanks. I would like to thank you.
Yeah, but all have tuned in. Thank you so much for taking us time and listening to us. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you, everybody,
Bye.
for doing this. And please, once again, I will repeatedly say this. Please make sure to be a part of this. Caleb Yunus, thank you for joining us. Caleb, I would like you to just watch this video right from the top, so you will know what we have discussed. The people who've just joined, Deepa Patel, yeah. Thank you, Deepa. Shruti, God bless you too.
Akbar, Deepa Patel is from America, USA, America. She takes care of Access Life America. So she's here watching you also.
Excellent. Thank you, Deepa. Thank you for being you. Thank you for doing this fantastic work for which you will be paid dunya maybe or akhirat maybe. Inshallah. I will pray for you. Ami, thank you. Shivani Vadva, thank you so much for being here and for all your hearts. With that, I would like to call it off. Sapna, thank you very much for coming online, and I know that you are very nervous and everything, but we did it. We did it. Yeah. Loads of love to you. Thank you. Loads of love to you. Loads of love to everybody who's tuned in. Thank you very much, and Shab Khair. Good night.
Good night. Namaste.
Thank you.